Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys 3 hairstyle you can rock using braiding hair. Let's begin. Firstly, I'm just going to grab my Eco Styler gel and apply to my hair. I'm going to apply the gel all over my hair. After applying the gel, I'll just take my brush and then brush this. And then I'll take my scrunchie and put my hair up in a high bun. I'm just applying more gel to slick it down more, especially for the part that I missed earlier. So I'm just applying more gel, and then after that I'll lay down my edges. So for my hair, I'm just twisting it up and then I'll wrap it around, and then I'll use my pin to pin this down. Now just go ahead to tie this down for some minutes. After about 30 minutes, I took off the scarf I used to wrap my hair down, and then I just grabbed my braiding hair. I took it out of the pack and then I braided it. So I'm just going to be wrapping this around my little bun that I made. I wrapped it around the little bun and then flipped it, and then just use it to adjust my hair. You see me using pins to pin it down. I also use hairpins to pin this down. So I'm just going to be adjusting it the way I like, and then I even use rubber band to hold it, and then I use pin to pin it down. So this is how it turned out. It's very easy to do. It doesn't take long to recreate, so you can also recreate it. Another way you can rock braiding hair is just attach it to the bun, and then I flip it, and then I'm going to be wrapping this. You see me wrapping this around. I use rubber band first of all to hold it after securing it on my hair, and then you see me wrapping it around. Just, it's better you guys watch it. After I'm done and I'm satisfied with it, I'm just using hairpins to secure it. And this is how the second hairstyle turned out. Which hairstyle is your favorite so far? Let me know in the comment section. For this next hairstyle, I'm just going to grab my braiding hair and attach it to my bun like always, and then I'm going to be separating the hair. So I'll separate the hair into 2 parts, and then I'm going to twist one part of the hair. So I'm going to twist this all the way to the end. So after I'm done twisting this, I'll grab the braiding hair that I twisted, and then wrap it around my little bun. As I'm wrapping this around the bun, I'm just going to be shaping it the way I would like it to look. When I'm done with that, I'll use my bobby pin to secure it. And for the one that I separated earlier, I'll also separate it into 3, and then I'll twist the 3 of them. After I'm done with twisting the 3 of them, I'm going to be wrapping this around the hair that I wrapped around my bun earlier. So I'm just carefully wrapping this around the hair. Next, I'm going to get my gold accessory to finish it up. So I'm just accessorizing this. And this is how the hairstyle turned out. Which is your favorite? Please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.